Hey, Josh the Balloon Guy here. And today I'm gonna workshop a little idea, something kind of rolling around in my head. But I made that basket the other day, and we're just outside, and also my kids watching Honey I Shrunk the Kids, and they're talking about grass being tall. I thought, what if I use that basket shape and made a lawnmower? Let's see how it works. So we're gonna blow up the balloon about halfway. And instead of doing 5, I'm only going to do 4 this time. So I'm going to start with 1, 3-finger, yeah. Okay, to make it square. 2, there's the 3rd, and the 4th set. And then I'm going to go back over, do the top. And this is kind of how the process goes. Sometimes I get stuck on something and I hear something. I'm like, hey, can I make that? All right. I'll go ahead and tear that off. All right. And then I'm going to bring in, so we have a square version of that basket from the other day. All right, because remember it had 5 sides, this only has 4. Then let's do some black. And I'm going to do some very small petals or very large pinch twists. And I'll need one of those in each corner. And then I'm going to stretch the balloon, the black balloon, inside the green. Do another big pinch twist. Stretch it again. Another big pinch twist. All right, stretch one last time. Actually, maybe I will do one more time. But anyway, make that big pinch twist. And then let's go back just to give it the definition all the way around where we started with the original pinch twist. All right, so far I am pleased for something just right off the top of my head. I'm going to save this black because I'm going to look at this here in just a moment and see if I prefer the engine to be black or gray. So speaking of gray, let's go ahead, blow up a gray. I ended up going about halfway. I'm going to take my back pinch twist, wrap in there really well, go up, let's do about a hand and a thumb, and then a pinch twist, a 3-finger bubble, another pinch twist, and back down the other side and into my other back pinch twist. Go ahead and tear off, save the gray, because then I'm going to do a tulip twist, because why not? And a couple Oh, I didn't push my knot in far enough. Push my knot back in. There we go. Okay, so then we'll need to do a couple of pinch twists underneath. 1, 2, how about we do 3 and 4 pinch twists underneath that tulip. Wrap around. Go ahead and tear off, leaving a tail just to help connect it. Reposition my pinch twists so they kind of look like 4-petal flower or 4-leaf clover. Okay, with the little tulip twist on top. And then I'm going to go into the pinch twist that's in the middle of my basket shape there. I am pleased with that. And that's making something up on the fly. Do not be intimidated. If you twist strictly from a menu, hey, there is nothing wrong with that. I've done that many, many times. My wife does that, and it helps events go smooth. But I also do, birthday parties and things where I may not have a menu, and I'll get some weird requests. And so this is why I always say, keep practicing, because keep those creative juices flowing. I was actually at a roadblock today. I didn't know what I was going to do, and just got the idea. But yes, keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.